Okay, here we are. It's the blizzard of 2013. I am 28 weeks pregnant, which is the first week of my third trimester, and I'm going out snowshoeing. It's pretty crazy out, but there's actually 1 million people out exploring, and it's really pretty. And there's Stella. She's loving the snow. And I can't wait to introduce my baby to the snow. Oh, and this is my building that I'm moving out of in 6 weeks. I will miss it. Okay, go. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Come here, Stella. Come on. Good girl. How was that? Want a snowball? You want me to throw a snowball to you? I know you love it. Ready? Ready? Here we go. Go! Alright, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, Stella. Go. Come here. Come on. Come on, what are you doing? Oh, oh my God. I've never seen her do this before.